It's so cold. This morning I'm gonna go out and brave the cold to show you the road damage this morning. There's been some significant changes to the pavement, at least from what I can see in the window. So let's go out and take a look. It's been, I don't know, a little over a week since it started to collapse. I don't know how well you can see, but wow, that's a lot of road that's gone. So the embankment, I used to be able to stand right here and kind of update on how the ledge was doing, but it's all since washed away. We've had a little bit of rain, sprinkling right now. I think we're in for more rain this week, so kind of scary. Quite crazy. The road is hanging over, chunks in the bottom. The other side is starting to erode a little bit more too. I'll take a quick clip of that. And we're in for more rain. It's quite full again today. As frustrating as this is, not having the road open, I am very grateful that it's not in my house or destroying anything. So there's a lot in the neighborhood that are really struggling, and I'm grateful that it's just the road and nothing to do with my house. So it looks like they've marked the road for utilities and things underneath for construction. So good to see some progress. I really doubt we'll see any construction on this road till this water calms down. So really good to see some progress.